Okay, so hello everybody, I'm Margus. I would like to welcome you from the Tipte Authors team. And we are providing the service to sell the movies online. And this will be very good alternative to piracy. Because, whatever, you choose. And currently in Estonia and in very many countries, it's very hard to get access to online movies. You can either go to cinema or you can buy DVD, which is not very comfortable. For example, MacBook Air, everybody has this MacBook Air these days. It doesn't have even DVD player. So how do you play this? So there's a problem. People cannot get access to good content and producers cannot distribute it. And we solved this problem. We created our own torrent tracker servers. And when user is buying the movie, then he gets torrent file, which is unique. So only this user can use it. If a user spreads this torrent around, then this torrent will be disabled. But if you're doing everything legally, then copyrights will be retained and it's transparent to user. And I have also here one our good supporter, one of the Estonia's best producers, Anneli Ahven. Would you like to also say something?
I would not come to the stage, but I would really support this application very much because for independent producers, for independent films, the life of the film can be very, very short because it's you have to compete with the biggest, that means with the Hollywood. And sometimes it doesn't matter that you don't get any revenues of the film. You just want to be seen. So I think it's an excellent possibility to give people the legal possibility to see the film. And if there is a lot of viewers, people are happy. And if there is a couple of pennies for producer, maybe it helps for next films too. So actually it's an excellent thing to promote smaller films, independent films, and films from countries which are non-English. Yes.
And like we see a very live producer here, and also we have agreements with several other producers in Estonia. And actually we have also agreement with Estonia's Author Society, so we are authorized to sell in Estonia already today. But for some reason we don't have a server sysadministrator, so everything is working, but currently it's not working in production server, so it will not go live today. But stay tuned and like our Facebook page, you will get updates when it's live.
Thank you, Tipte Authors.
I have a question.
So, questions, yeah.
So, are you familiar with Netflix?
Are you familiar with Netflix?
Yes, I'm very familiar with Netflix, and Netflix is only in United States.
Oh, okay.
In Estonia, Europe, everywhere, it's not. Okay. There's Amazon Video on Demand and there are many players in the United States, but nothing else in our
So is it like, it's like Netflix, except...
yeah, we are targeting different like groups. Netflix and these are targeting like big movie companies that tell that you can sell only in the United States. We are targeting like smaller, like in Estonia, who want to sell everywhere. This is our difference.
Okay, so it's you're focusing on independent films.
Yes, more like independent films that want to distribute themselves and they have the access over this platform.
Gotcha.
Okay, other questions?
Can you explain a little bit more still? I mean, when you started with the idea was that I could even download the movie for free. And in a way, it's kind of later a donation and so on. So I still kind of take the stuff from Pirate Bay or somewhere from there. It's more like just doing a nice thing and paying if I want to pay instead for the people who do the kind of Pirate Bay downloading anyway. Do you now still have the kind of minimum price per movie that you have to pay in advance? Or can I still go the kind of I'll donate later route?
Yeah, actually, we don't have any this minimum price. You can pay or ask for a movie whatever you want. You can ask for 1 cent or you can have slider that pay whatever you want. This is especially good for some amateur and small filmmakers. If you have a small film, like 10 minutes, and you just want yourself to be seen. Then you upload there, you have quite okay movie, maybe has been on some festivals, then this is good for everybody.
So I can still go the Radiohead album route where they offered kind of free version and who wanted could pay, so.
Yes, exactly, and many of these short filmmakers have their movies also on YouTube for free. But here we will have some quality. If many people pay for this movie, it will go higher in the ranking. So you will get good content and you can pay whatever you want.
Okay, other questions? Many?
What payment options do you plan to have soon?
One of the most important payment options is credit. You can go to the site, start downloading, and we have some limit. We have not decided, maybe €2. So you just download, and if you don't like it, actually, no, you don't have to pay. But if you like the service, you will buy more, and then you will pay also.
Okay, final question. There is.
How do you plan to administrate the legal issues? Being the channel distributing the movie, you are actually responsible also for the content in some ways.
Yes, this is issue, and we need to like moderate a little bit of the guys who can upload the contents there. There are different organizations who like administer different producers, and so completely everybody cannot upload, but there are some people, some little bit more known producers who can upload, we can trust. And also one final thing, that think of the kittens, download legally.
Hooray!